Let's go see what's new at Dollar Tree this week. Look how cute these little gumball machines are. They're plastic. They come in pink and red. Oh, that's adorable. All the Valentine's Day stuff is out. All the canisters and decorations and everything is coming. And they've got new pedestals, although you could use these for like little dessert risers, maybe with some chocolate covered strawberries and stuff on top, but they've got red, pink, and white. And these galvanized tin envelopes are so pretty. How cute are these faux book stacks that are tied with the buffalo plaid black and white ribbon? These are so cute. Be mine forever, lots of love, love bug, cutie pie, and sweetheart. And then they also have new Valentine's Day boxes and some more cute frame decor pieces. And of course, lots of Valentine's Day signs. It's got a cute little rose on it. You just have to remove the plastic part. I like this one with the key. Handmade Valentine's Day card. These are all really cute. I like this gummy bear one up here. Oh, let me get these guys back in here. Love you very much. That's really cute. And they have the gnome. And lots of more signs. This is wood and it's got a follow your heart cut out in it. This one's got the sequins that change colors. And these are really cute, the kissing booth. And the red truck, and then of course that foil stuff if you're into that. And if you make your own kind of like treats or snacks, these are really cute containers. It's a 3-pack and they say love you, sweetheart, and baked with love. So they're great little treat canisters. Some more super cute signs. The Valentine's Day red truck, home sweet home, and the little kissing booth. How cute. And then if you're into the garden gnomes, they've already got everything out. So you want to pick it up now because this stuff always goes fast. And they've got all the different pieces out. If you're a fairy garden lover, they've got some new pieces. There's a gumball machine, a fairy riding a llama, a cake set, a rainbow, some icicles, like popsicles, a fairy with a cupcake. And then there's some cute new houses down here. And then they're also starting to put the gardening stuff out. So they've got lots of little cute picks to go in the yard. And these, the stackable 3-tier, I'm definitely gonna do a garden this year. So I already have these from last year, so I don't need to pick them up, but they are out if you're looking for them. And they've got all the gardening stuff out already, all the seeds and gloves and stuff. So these are 4 for $1. So our prices still haven't gone to $1.25 yet. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up my herbs and get them ready for this spring. I love gardening. And if you weren't ready for Valentine's Day, you're definitely ready for St. Patrick's Day. They've got all the stuff out too. These are really cute wooden signs this year. I think these ones we always have. They've got the gold coins, the wreath forms, the shamrocks, the light up strings. And then they also have Easter set. So there's the jute carrots and all the different eggs. And then we've got some burlap bunnies, some egg picks, all the tulle for Easter wreaths, and then the gold and speckled eggs. And then along with the Valentine's Day stuff, they're getting all the spring storage stuff ready to go. So if you're looking for storage containers, they have the pretty seafoam green color, the pink mauve color, and then gray. And they have all different things. They have the little veggie stackers, the drawers, all different kinds of containers to get you organized in the new year. We've got some cute new stationery. There's two different designs, the alpaca and the cherry. And then when you open them up, they've got these cute little post-it notes on the inside with the llamas. And then this one has the cherries. So these are super cute. I picked up these Glass Plus wipes a couple weeks ago. There's 160 wipes in this container, and these work amazing on windows. They're streak free, they smell good, they get the job done. So if you see these, definitely pick them up. If you got a Barbie doll lover, they have new furniture in for the Barbie dolls. They have a really cute couch in white, and you could spray paint these if you didn't like the color. And then they also have a bed in white and turquoise, and then this really cute vanity stand in white and turquoise. And then they also have new actual Barbie toys. They have the Barbie Dreamtopia. It's all the horses. It comes in purple, white, and pink. And then they have the Barbie Chelsea line. That's the backpacks. And then they also have some new accessories. They always carry these guys here, but they have some crowns, a tea set, and a new shoe set. So if you're a Barbie doll lover, make sure you check your Dollar Tree. We've got some new Decor glass pieces. These are glass vases with the jute tied around them. That's very cute. And then they've got these that are kind of metallic with the flower on it. And that comes in just that one color. And then there's also these, like a little glass lantern that come in the clear with the rope. And then also in the green. We've got some new men's travel bags, although you could use these for anyone. They come in a blue, like camouflage color, a green camouflage, and then a like black and green plaid. And these are a pretty good size, and they just have a zipper here. So if you're looking for a travel bag, there you go. If you need Preparation H, this is like $7 at Walmart, so that's a great find here. If you are a Vicks NyQuil lover, these things are great. They go in the little machine and you just change them out. This one is, I think, lavender and chamomile scent. So these are like $6 each. That's a great deal. If you're a makeup user, they have these new 3-pack reusable makeup removing rounds. I think the brand is by SAIE. I don't know how to say that, but they've got these new makeup removers. And then we've got some new tweezers in a bunch of different patterns. There's like a tiger, a leopard, like a cow print, giraffe print. Super fun tweezers. And if you're a soft soap lover, they have these huge 32-ounce bottles of soap refill in the gentle lavender and the coconut, which smells really good. That is a steal for $1. If you're a cereal, more important, a Dunkaroos lover, they have the Dunkaroos family size cereal here at the Dollar Tree. Here's another good food find. It's the old El Paso World Taco Kits. I don't know about the flavor. Japanese inspired teriyaki and Caribbean jerk. But for $1, it's worth a try. And then I found one more flavor, the Korean inspired barbecue. Korean barbecue, my dad makes the best Korean barbecue ribs, but this is a great flavor. I might try this one out. And then in the kitchen aisle, I found these crock pot slow cooker liners. There's 6 of them in the pack for $1. That's a great steal. I mean, I picked these up at like Costco or Sam's Club in a big box, but it's, you know, $12. But 6 for $1, not bad. And with the Valentine's Day stuff, they have these new figurines. They're ballerinas, and they come in a bunch of different skin tones. These are really cute. And look how cute these are with the baby section. We've seen the onesies pop up, but now they have like dresses, and this goes up to 24 months. This is adorable for $1. I always find lots of great Gildan t-shirts here at Dollar Tree, but today they have got a lot of polos in a bunch of different colors and sizes, all the way up until 4 and 5X's. So for $1, if you need a polo, and these is Gildan, it's a good name brand, they've got them. And they have these snack stack towers back out again this year. They always have them in like the blue, red, and burgundy colors, but now they have them in the pretty pink, gray, and turquoise. And they actually wash really well. You just can't put them in the dishwasher. They have these cute little 3D signs out now, hot cocoa and coffee, and they light up. Those would be adorable for a coffee bar. And we've got a new surface cleaner. They have, they're both with bleach. One is fresh scent and the other is fresh scent. I'm not sure what the difference is, but that's a new cleaner, Juniper Clean. I scanned it on Amazon and it came up like $10 a bottle. That's crazy. We'll give it a try. Thanks for coming along and shopping my Dollar Trees. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next week. Bye.